everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be getting ready for work. I'm going to be doing my makeup, going to be showing you guys my outfit, and yeah, that's today's video. Before I begin with today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel. I'd love if I reached 5,000 subscribers before my birthday. I know I have not been consistent on YouTube, but I'm trying, okay? I am trying. Please subscribe to my channel so I can reach 5,000 subscribers before my birthday. My birthday is in December. Let's make it happen. No, I know it is possible. I see you. I see you out there watching my video, not subscribing. You are here already. So what's the point? Why don't you just subscribe? You're gonna come back. I'm back. Because I'm fun, I'm entertaining, I'm cool, I'm sexy. So like, why not just subscribe? Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started with the face beat. I haven't done my makeup in front of camera in like a while. The fact that I have to do my brows, the fact that I have to do everything on camera is just like it's kind of a lot. I don't feel overwhelmed, I just feel like I'm not adequately prepared for this because I haven't done my makeup in front of camera in such a long time. I'm gonna start off with brows. I'm gonna be using the brown and black Davis pencils to fill in my brows. So fair warning, the sun is literally rising and going behind the sun and going in and out. So if this video becomes light, dark, that's it. That's basically what's causing it. So how are we doing? How are we doing, guys? Lagos is opening slowly. Yesterday they announced that international flights have resumed, so that means like people can travel, people can come in. Somebody was like, this is going to be the dirtiest December ever, and I don't know about anybody else, but this December is about to be dirty for me. I survived Corona. I survived all the shit that 2020 was throwing at the end of the world. Well, I still haven't survived till my 30th birthday, but I will survive till my 30th birthday. My 30th birthday is coming up and I intend to celebrate it. I also intend to be very shameless about my birthday this year. Like sometimes I come off in videos and in my content as this like shameless person, but to be very honest, I feel somehow asking for gifts. I feel somehow asking for things. But this year, this 2020, this my 30th year, shameless as fuck. Yeah, that's it. I want gifts and I want money for my 30th birthday. I'm also hoping I get to throw a party. I hope I get to throw my party, or like the idea of what I want for my 30th. I hope like some of it comes true. I need to make money so I can buy lights, so I can shoot on automatic and dead this natural light thing. When you're starting out, natural light is fantastic. As you create more content, you realize that natural light is amazing, but depending on the weather, especially since it's something you can't control, is just not good sometimes. Whenever I try to check if my brows are even, I pull the skin up so I can see like, do they look even? They're not supposed to look like completely even. The saying is your brows are cousins, not twins. But sometimes my brows look like complete strangers. So I gotta make sure everything looks nice. I know I was talking about something, now I'm talking about my brows. I've completely forgotten what I was talking about. But let's get back to the first thing I asked. How are we all doing? Lagos is officially opening up. They've announced international flights, which I think is like one of the last stages of opening up. Actually, they've not opened clubs yet. That's the thing. They've not officially opened clubs. There are some places that are doing low-key things. I've gone to a house party. I've gone to a barbecue. I went to Elisha the other day, but it was just like me and 5 people. All the places that I've been going to have been like really like small, like really small groups of people. As much as I want to enjoy myself and I want to go outside, I also need to be safe. So I'm trying to make sure like all the places I go to are safe and not a lot of people are there. And I know like there's nothing I can do. If I'm gonna catch it, I'm gonna catch it, but I'm trying my possible best to be as safe as possible. So even though I want to go out, even though I want to go partying and all these things, I'm still, you know, still trying to be cautious. We got our brows done. That was nice. I got brows done. Just gonna blend out the front a little bit and then set it with some brow gel. I use the Maybelline Brow Drama. I use the Maybelline Brow Drama 12-Hour Sculpting Brow Mascara. If you have naturally full brows, then you will, in my opinion, love this product, because all this does is that it puts your brows in place. It also gives you a little bit of a tint. So if you have full brow hairs, if you're not like me that you have to construct a whole new brow, but if you have like fuller brow hairs, a nice brow mascara would be nice for you. Today's makeup look is going to be super simple, literally using three eyeshadows. I am using the Afrique by Juvia's Place palette, one of my favorite palettes. You can see that I've already hit pan on multiple shades. This entire shade is gone. Hit pan on this, hit pan on this, hit pan on that. I'm possibly going to hit pan on this very soon because the shade is my jam. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and go into the shade Cameroon. That's a nice brown shade to start things off with. Ooh, I'm breaking out here. There's a tiny pimple on my nose here, and there are 3 pimples in a line. It makes no sense, but literally 1, 2, 3 in a line like this. I've started using tea tree oil on it. I'm making sure I'm doing my thing. But man, I can't deny it. This weekend has been crazy for me food-wise. I've been eating fried chicken non-stop. I've eaten fried chicken like every day for the past, I think, 3-4 days. I had fried chicken on Friday, I had fried chicken on Saturday, I had fried chicken on Sunday, and then yesterday at work, fried chicken again. Like, somebody's going to have to confiscate my stomach. My stomach needs help. My stomach is basically dying for help. I'm going for lunch today with a friend of mine. We're going to Circa Lagos. This is the first time I'm going to be going to a restaurant since lockdown, and I'm so excited. I think it's partially the reason why I'm wearing makeup, because like I want to take nice pictures. So you can see I'm preparing for like lunch and work today. I love a good diffused transition. Just gonna blend it all around. I'm going to take my fluffy pointed brush, so this is a deluxe crease, and go into the shade Bintao, which is the burgundy wine shade I was talking about. That is gonna go into my crease, but I don't mind if it goes everywhere because I basically want the burgundy shade to show really well. And then I'll go back with the first brush and use that to blend it out. So we have even and diffused layers. It's been so long since I've done a makeup tutorial. Well, you guys don't like watching makeup tutorials. Nobody likes watching makeup tutorials anymore. Even I have to admit that I don't watch makeup tutorials anymore. It's so crazy how I went from constantly binging and watching makeup tutorials to now being like, I'd rather do other things with my time. I don't know if it's because like I think I have learned everything that has to do with makeup, or maybe I'm just like tired of makeup tutorials, but I will not sit here and be like, oh yeah, you guys should watch more makeup tutorials, when I can't even remember the last time I watched a makeup tutorial. Alright, to make sure that we got everything nice and blended, just going back in with that first brush. Now I'm gonna take my favorite gold shade Kofi. If Juvia's Place came out with single eyeshadows, I would definitely buy this in a heartbeat. I would buy Kofi in a heartbeat. Kofi is a beautiful color. I'm going to use my finger to apply this because I've realized that this shade does much better if you apply it with your finger, and it gives a really nice diffused look as well. Whew. There we go. Something really nice and simple. Eyeliner time. This is the Zaron HD liquid liner. We're almost done with the eyes. I think I've done a pretty good job on this eye makeup look. Let's move on to the face. This is the Omari Code X Brega Moisture Maximizer. My god, I am fucking bright. So I have been using this product for a couple of months. I use it as skincare. I also use it as, makeup primer. And I definitely prefer it as makeup primer, and I don't mind it as skincare. I mean, it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, glycerin. So it's not like a terrible skincare product. I would just rather use it for like one thing and rather just get like a dedicated hyaluronic acid serum. Going to set the primer with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Today's foundation is going to be a mix, and it's going to be a mix of two browns that I don't think I'm not sure if I've done this on camera before, but if I haven't, this is a fantastic mix. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and this is the Nubian Beauty In My Skin Foundation. Both of this mixed together makes the perfect foundation shade for me. And I get the best of both worlds when using this product. So I don't know if you can see, one foundation is more yellow than the other. So both of them together makes this perfect color on my face. The Juvia's Place foundation is very thick and full coverage. The In My Skin foundation is light and full coverage. But I like that both of these foundations are breathable and they don't cake my skin. With this mix, I have started matching my face to my body. If you can see, just from applying this, you can see that I look one color. I feel like I'm too yellow, but I feel like by the time I put on all my powders and everything, I'll even out a bit. Ever since I went bald, doing my makeup and my hair has been like a trip. Of course, my head is like darker than my body. And then when I put foundation on, sometimes it's not the same shade, or it's just hilarious. So I just basically blend it into my hairline like this. And then I'll use powder as well to further blend it in, so it's like an even shade all around. Concealer, Maybelline Fit Me. This brush, I usually use it to apply my liquid highlighter, but I love this brush because it's perfect for blending out concealer on the nose and in like small places like this. This is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid in the shade Medium Nude. It's one of my favorite liquid highlighters. Like, it's so nice and it's so good. A little of it goes a long way. I'm gonna be looking so glowy. One of the main reasons I love the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid is because it absorbs and blends so well into foundation, on the skin. So I'm gonna set my face right now. That's what I'm going to do. This was supposed to be a chit chatty get ready with me. I haven't chit chatted about anything. My coworker and I want to do a video where I do her hair and her makeup and we answer questions. If you guys have any questions for us, like maybe a coworker tag, I'm gonna look for that, but I don't know if there's a coworker tag that exists. But if you guys want to ask her questions about me at work, or just want to ask her questions about me in general, or just want to ask us questions in general, then I would love your suggestions for questions. I'm gonna post about it on my Instagram, don't know when, but I'm down for questions whenever you guys are down. Now it's time to set the rest of the face because I only set my under eyes. The Maybelline Fit Me powder is possibly by far one of the best setting powders I have ever used, and it is affordable AF. This is where this powder comes in handy because I just use it to blend my hairline or my forehead into my hairline. I have become a blush girl, and you have to thank MAC Cosmetics because they have the nicest blushes. They're so beautiful, they're pigmented, a little bit goes a long way. I really think adding blush adds like a really interesting element to your makeup look. I never used to be a blush girl. I mean, you guys can watch my old videos where I'm like, I don't really care about blush, but the MAC Cosmetics blushes have changed my life, and I can't do a makeup look without one of their blushes. I have this one, which is a bit more red, and I have another blush which is a bit more pink, which I think is perfect. Those are the two colors of blushes I need in my kit. So I have this red one and I have a pink one, and they're both highlighter time. I have been using the Candid Glow by Yaga Beauty for eons now, and I can tell you that it is worth the money. You have this highlighter basically for life. It doesn't finish. It's so fine and it's so pretty. Like, look at that. I just, whew. Oh, I'm honestly feeling myself and my beauty and like who I am. Like, look at me. Look at me. Look at the beauty. The beauty jumped out. It's the beauty for me. Just need to finish up the eyes. I am simply just going to take Bin Towel on this brush and apply it to my lower waterline. Alright, mascara time. This is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express mascara. I love the Maybelline mascaras. I didn't really like it at first, maybe because it was really wet and it really clumped up my lashes, but I like them. I like it now. This is the Zara Cosmetics lipstick pen in the shade Vixen or Maxim. I'm gonna wear liquid lipstick today. I haven't worn liquid lipstick in a very long time, but I really want this makeup to last throughout the day before my lunch date, so I'm gonna use liquid lipstick. This is the Blush Crush Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Anarchy. I applied a little bit too much on this side, so I'm going to try and clean up my mess. All right, guys, this is the look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna change into my outfit for today and show that to you. This is what I'm wearing for work today. This bodysuit is from Thrift Apparel. These pants are from Happy Go Lucky, and my feet are from God. I think I overdid it on the lipstick today, but that's their business. I'm digging the look. I wish I had setting spray because I feel like my under eyes are really dry. I think I need to get setting spray for my under eyes and for, you know, just to melt everything, because I still feel a little powdery, just a little bit. That is today's outfit. That is today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching and rocking and being with me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to be awesome. Yeah, that's me talking to myself and talking to you. Don't forget to be awesome. Don't forget to be cool. Do not forget who you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. Bye.